Good morning, all. Now we discuss the rotational Raman spectrum of symmetric top molecules. While discussing microwave spectroscopy, we had go through the symmetric top molecules. We have studied the properties of symmetric top molecules there. The molecules are classified into oblate and prolate according to their moment of inertia. And some of the examples of symmetric top molecules are methyl chloride, methyl fluoride, etc. Here we discuss the rotational Raman spectrum of methyl chloride. In the case of methyl chloride, the rotation about its top axis or its about its molecular axis, the polarizability of the molecule does not change. Look at the figure. If it is rotating about that bond, top bond, that is CCl bond. So the rotation about CCl bond does not change its polarizability, whereas the end over end rotation produces a change. The rotational energy levels of a symmetric top molecules is given by Ejk is equal to B into J plus 1 plus A minus B into K square. It is also discussed in the chapter of microwave spectroscopy. Here, A is a similar quantity corresponding to the BC rotational constant, and K is the quantum number here, and the values of K is varying from 0 to plus or minus J. And the selection rule corresponding to rotational Raman spectrum of symmetric top molecules are delta K is equal to 0 and delta J is equal to 0 plus or minus 1 plus or minus 2. And there is a special condition there. For K is equal to 0, delta J is equal to plus or minus 2 is only allowed. So the general selection rules are delta K is equal to 0, delta J is equal to 0, plus or minus 1, plus or minus 2, etc. Again here, the delta J is equal to 0 corresponding for Rayleigh scattering. But in addition, there is delta J plus 1 here when we compare with rotational spectrum of linear, pure rotational spectrum of linear molecules. Pure rotational Raman spectrum of linear molecule. In that case, only plus or minus 2 is allowed. Delta J plus or minus 2 is allowed. Here we know that the K represents the angular momentum about the top axis. Delta K is equal to 0 implies that rotation about the top axis are Raman inactive. Since K is equal to 0 for the ground state, it is governed by the selection rule. Delta J plus or minus 2 only is allowed here. For the other values of K, J is equal to 1 to up to K will have the values other than 0. Delta J plus or minus 1 transition are allowed. Here also we taking on the positive values of delta J. So here we consider delta J plus 1 and delta J plus 2. We know that delta J is equal to plus 1 corresponding for R branch and delta J plus 2 corresponding for S branch. And now we evaluating the energy shift for delta J is equal to plus 1. We know that delta J is equal to J dash minus J double dash. J dash is the upper and J double dash is the lower one. So J dash minus J double dash is equal to plus 1, means we can write J dash is equal to J double dash plus 1. Okay. Here we take J dash is equal to J, then J double dash is equal to J. If J double dash is equal to J, J dash must be equal to J plus 1. So substituting J dash equal to J plus 1 and J double dash is equal to J here, this expression becomes B into J plus 1 into J plus 2 minus J into J plus 1. It is equal to B into, we taking J plus 1 common from both side, both terms, then J plus 2 minus J. J plus 2 minus J is equal to 2. So it is equal to 2B into J plus 1. This is the result, 2B into J plus 1. And here in the case of delta J plus 2, S branch, the step of this one has derived in the previous session. Go for that. Then here delta E is equal to B into 4J plus 6. Okay. Thus, we have two series of lines in the Raman spectrum, that is S branch and R branch. Here the R branch corresponding for V R bar is equal to V external exciting line, the frequency of exciting line plus or minus 2B into J plus 1, and Vs must be equal to the frequency of S branch must be equal to frequency of exciting plus or minus B into 4J plus 6. So when we take V external plus 2B into J plus 1 for J is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. And similarly, here plus or minus, similarly plus or minus B into 4J plus 6. Then here I only write this part only, that is plus or minus 2B plus or minus J is equal to 1. Then 4B plus or minus 6B plus or minus 8B plus or minus 10B, etc. And here the first line is at plus or minus 6B. Next is plus or minus 10B plus or minus 14B plus or minus 18B plus or minus 22B. This is the lines. The plus sign corresponding for anti-stock and the minus sign for stocks. And here also the plus sign for anti-stock and minus sign for stock. And here this is for S branch and this is for R branch. The top figure gives the spectrum for R branch only, that is delta J plus 1 transitions only. Here 4B, 6B, 8B, 10B, etc. From the, it is a shift here, it is given in the figure. Sorry, here there is no, only the allowed values of J is equal to 1, 2, 3, etc. No 0 is allowed here. So J is equal to 0 is not allowed, 4B, 6B, etc. The below diagram gives the lines corresponding to the S branch. Okay, when looking at here, This 4, it is 6b, and here also 6b. We know that we studying the spectrum of symmetric top molecule. Here in the top, we only mention the R branch, and in the bottom only S branch. But in the actual spectrum, we will get the mix of this one. It must be it is a comprehend spectrum, or a consolidated spectrum will give, it is a complete spectrum. Okay, then this is for R branch, and this corresponding for R branch and S branch, 6b. So the intensity of the next line 6b increases because the contribution from R branch and the S branch, so intensity varies. So the alternate 6, 10, 14, 18, 22, etc. They will show more intensity than the adjacent lines. It is in the lower side also. This is the rotational Raman spectrum of symmetric top molecules. We will discuss the vibrational Raman spectrum of symmetric top molecule in the next section. Okay, thank you.